I've got an open house in 20. I should give this meditation a shot. I think it'll help center me. Am I still meditating about this charming little house? Let's go check it out. Wow, what a great primary. Look at all this space. This breakfast nook is dreamy with all this space. This kitchen, all these cupboards, tons of possibilities. I must still be meditating because look at all the space in this secondary bedroom. And this bathroom? Great sized deck. Look at all this space in the backyard and this awesome detached garage. Somebody really needs to wake me up from this meditative state. My feet are getting really cold though. This meditating is great, but I've got to wake up. I've got houses to sell. Well, I guess it's time to get back to reality. My face really hurts though. Oh well.